In this lesson, I'm going to run through a basic 12-bar blues chord progression in the key of D major. So the 12-bar blues chord progression is used by so many rock and roll songs, so many rock songs, and of course blues. But the basic form is really simple. I'm going to show you two versions, a really simple version and an alternative version that will add a bit more interest to your progression. It's still simple, but it's a bit challenging towards the end. So in D, we're using three major chords, D, G and A major, all of which we've looked at before. If you haven't seen those lessons, then check the link in the description for a playlist for all the chords in the key of D. Now, here's a progression, and 12 bars, hence the name, and each bar has 4 beats in it. And we'll be sticking to a simple rhythm pattern of down, 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 up, or 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. So here's the basic version. Have a listen or play along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now here's the version with a couple of differences, and if you look at the two chord progressions there, you'll see in the first line, in the original version that we looked at, it's just D all the way. But in the second version, it's D for 1 bar, then G for 1 bar, then back to D again. But in the end, in the final 2 bars, that's where the difference is. You'll see half a bar of D, half a bar of G, half a bar of D, and then half a bar of A. The other thing to remember is that the rhythm doesn't change for that. We're keeping the rhythm the same all the way through. So you'll still be playing down, down for the first 2 beats of the bar, then down, up for the second 2 beats of the bar. And this is also a version that George Harrison uses on his song For You Blue, which you'll find on the Let It Be album. So hit the like button if you're getting value out of this. And here we go, 12-bar blues in D with slight variations. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 basic chords there, D, G and A major. Can be quite tricky to play. Check out the lesson on which version of G to play if you're still having problems with the G chord. And check out all the other lessons for the chords in the key of D. So if you didn't play along, then why not go back and have a go? And if you did, why not have another go? So see you in the next class, and don't forget to hit the notifications button before you check out another video.